So 2 years ago, my family bought me this belt and disc sander. They got me it for Christmas, and it's sat there ever since in my hall. As much as I've had the desire to use it, unfortunately, it won't fit in my shed. But it's now becoming a time where I actually need it. So what I'm going to do today is build it up, see actually how big it really is, and then cover that problem of finding somewhere for it, or crossing that bridge when I actually come to it. But I'm going to need this, so I'm going to take it out onto the decking, and we'll put it up together. All right, I'll see you outside on the decking.